Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive step by step. So first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Google Drive for desktop. Now, when you do this, you will be landed here on this page where you can download the Google Drive application for your Windows or your Mac devices. Now, after the download and the installation, you just have to sign in into your account first. Then after setting up Google Drive on your desktop, you just have to simply click on the option of the file explorer. Now you just have to simply select the option of your Google Drive. Now over here, you just have to double click on the My Drive. Then inside your My Drive, you just have to click on the option of new. Then you need to create a new folder. You can also give it a name as Vault. This way it will be very easy for you to basically know the name of the folder. So after doing this, what you need to do next is to just simply click on the option of Obsidian application, and afterwards you just have to click on the option of open. So after clicking on the option of open, you need to again go to the Google Drive and simply select the same folder that you have selected, which is the Vault folder, and afterwards you just have to click on the option of create. Now this way Obsidian is going to store all of your notes directly inside the Google Drive folder, and Google Drive for desktop is going to sync those changes between your computer and the Google Drive. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.